We could not believe our eyes when we came across this underappreciated, extremely accurate indicator on TradingView. First impressions, it appeared to be a standard oscillating indicator showing price movement on the chart. This indicator is so powerful that it must be shared on the channel. In the correct market conditions, this reversal indicator, which identifies reversal entry points, can be highly accurate. Additionally, it can increase accuracy to as much as 91% when combined with a trend filter. By using it on a 5-minute chart, it's simple to scalp some good reversals and pull back trades to make easy passive income of $100 to $200 daily. We'll explain how to use this indicator to you to maximize your winning performance and reveal the best suited setup. Watch the entire video without skipping anything. Let's get started. On a fresh TradingView chart, search for Bollinger Band Percentile by Algo Alert by selecting the Indicators tab. Click here to use the chart. Once applied properly, you'll see how much this indicator resembles RSI, but it is designed to analyze price positions using Bollinger Bands and standard deviation channels. These two signs working together strengthen a reversal indication, which means better executive positions are obtained. Open the indicator settings, change the length to 10, and also change the source from close to open. Save the setting. Once the chart is refreshed, you'll observe that there are less signals, but the default settings are still accurate. You can now choose to use a different indicator in this configuration for trend confirmation. That will help you identify the trend and momentum. It will simplify your effort if you add anything like a trend tracking moving average. By setup, we will only use the Bollinger Band percentile to demonstrate for the purposes of explanation. Rules are very simple for buy setup. Wait for this floating line in the center to reach the lighter green band. When this happens, as soon as this signal occurs, there will be a signal marked in green. Start your trade, then wait for the market to turn around. Sell setup. Similarly, for the sell trade, observe this center line till it reaches the upper red band. A signal in the color red will show when this occurs soon. This will make for the ideal situation to carry out your sell trade. Here's an important thing to remember. Since we are using this indicator to scalp out a small quantity of pips, our entry and stop loss should be carried out immediately to prevent any unintended losses. Let's look at few examples. Check out this simple buy example. Here's a buy signal. Start trading. Here with the same candle, mark your stop loss and take profit levels once the trade has been completed. Check this sell example. When the middle line comes near this red band, open your trade on a new candle if a red signal is issued. Put a stop loss in place and take a profit. This indicator requires an effective money management system. We advise employing a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2. For example, in this sell trade, if we were to place a trade following a signal on this candle, our stop loss would be on the nearest recent high candle. The take profit will be 2 times our stop loss. Same way for this buy example. If we execute the trade on this candle, our stop loss will be placed on the most recent swing low, and 2 times from our stop loss will be our take profit if we add a trend following moving average indicator to this setup. The accuracy is greatly increased. With this setup, trades only when all of the moving average trend lines are green and then a green signal is seen. And only execute a sell trade once all of these lines have been red and a red signal appears on the oscillator. Try this indicator and combining it with your preferred trend filters. Comment below with your ideas. We enjoy reading them all. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We share the best TradingView indicators and strategies on this channel that you'll not find anywhere else. All the indicators are completely free and people are learning new things from these videos. I hope you learned something new from this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.